Hey everybody, checking in here at Dr. Jim Killeen's Heritage Chiropractic and Peak Performance Center. A couple weeks ago we talked about decompression, and back here a couple weeks later, got a little back injury. Y'all know that I talked about playing golf and doing Pilates and some other activities. My back's a little sore today from playing golf. Not sure, Jim's got a soon-to-be famous Dr. Jim over here, is over here messing around. And we're going to look at, I think he's going to look at rib heads today. Jim, want to talk about rib heads?
Okay. Patrick, thank you for coming in today. So Patrick's got some undiagnosed pain in his back today. It's in his mid-thoracic spine, which is this area of the spine. A very common sports injury is called rib head subluxations. Now, most folks don't know about them because they're not well talked about, but here, very, very common injury. They give a sharp pain, almost an arrow-like pain in the back, very point specific, but they can also mimic organ problems such as heart, lungs, gallbladder, kidneys, ureters, kidney stones, kidney infections. So of course, you have to be very careful and specific about going through a protocol to determine exactly what's going on. But assuming that all of those are A-OK, we're going to talk about a rib head subluxation today. We're also going to demonstrate exactly how to fix them, which is an easy correction, but immediate relief of pain. So the pain can be anywhere from 6 to 10, so quite noticeable. Also, you take 23,000 breaths on the average per day, and the chest has to expand, meaning the ribs have to work. So if you have pain on deep inspiration, we talk about rib head subluxations where they enter and connect with the spine, that is a joint, and they basically pop out of place. So we're going to demonstrate that today, assuming that that is Patrick's issue. They can happen as a golf injury, contact sport injury, or just reaching down and picking something up with rotation. So I'm just going to check Patrick's spine here, and he has some issues with vertebral subluxation, but let's see as far as, Patrick, this is kind of where you're sore today?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so let's just see. There it was already. Very easy correction. And I call these golfer's ribs. Patrick is a right-handed golfer, so when he rotates and swings with force to the left,
Ooh, that feels
pop
better.
out of place. So that's the correction of rib head subluxations, very common malady here at Heritage Chiropractic and Wellness Center, your center for peak performance. Thank you for watching, and we're going to continue on and correct the rest of Patrick's issues today. And that's a wrap.